What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to our Print Profit series. Now, in this series, what I actually have is a special guest with me called Michael Shih. Michael, welcome to our show.
Thanks for having me. Hey, everyone on the call.
Awesome. So here's the deal. You guys all know I'm a big fan of dropshipping. I've been doing 8 figures with dropshipping. But at the end of the day, there is actually another segment, another area of opportunities and a lot of profit to make within e-commerce. And this is actually called print on demand. Now, there's a reason why I actually have Michael on with us to actually be in the Print Profit series is because this gentleman, who's sitting right beside me right now, actually generated over $1 million last year using nothing but print on demand. Now, before I actually get him and actually squeeze him information to share with you guys, here's what I want you to do. If you love my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, share this video, leave a comment below. I love to actually see them so that I can see if you guys are actually benefiting from my video series. Now with that, let's dive right in. So Michael, first of all, thank you for coming on here.
Thank you.
Here's a question to you.
Yeah.
What's print on demand for people that don't know?
All right. So basically, print on demand, or POD for short, is you have a design file that it's created by your graphic designers, and you can sell that. And once you sell that, it gets printed on demand. So it's basically how it sounds: print on demand. And to break it down for you even further, you can have a design file put into your Shopify store. Once you sell it, that information goes into your supplier, and your supplier will do the production process. Once that is sold, it gets shipped out. Your customers will get tracking, you'll get tracking. So after the sale is made, you do nothing. It's all automated.
So again, I love that word. It's automated. So basically what you're trying to tell me is that all you got to do is have your design up, and if a customer buys the product, you technically don't have to do anything.
Correct. Yeah.
Wow. So you don't even have to go to, let's say, AliExpress or go to another website to place the order. Everything is automated.
Yeah, and you don't have to buy in bulk or store everything in your warehouse. It's all automated, and once someone's make a sale, it gets printed.
Wow, that is absolutely amazing. So it actually eliminates a lot of the process of, obviously, from dropshipping, where you gotta go to AliExpress, fulfill the order, and basically wait for the order to go, and then put in the tracking number, etc. All this is automated, and again, you don't actually have to invest a single penny into any of these products, only because at the end of the day, again, like we said, it's all automated, and it is actually, I can't say it's a better version, it's just an additional revenue source for a store. And that's what is the one important key. So here's the deal. Let me ask you a quick question.
Yeah.
All right. Can an individual who has enough knowledge in print on demand, let's say that if I'm brand new, I know nothing about the internet, I just want to basically check up some videos and actually take some action, will I be able to make $200 to $500 per day on Shopify using just print on demands?
Oh, definitely. With the technology we have today, to get started, it's actually really simple. Once you sign up for a Shopify store, have designs into your store, and then if you know traffic, once you run traffic, then you can get started and make $200 a day, not a problem. And especially because of the margin and the price range for these print-on-demand products, you can hit $200 to $500 just with 10 sales.
Oh, wow. That is amazing. Now, before we actually go into margins first, for those of you, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask this question, how much do you actually need to invest in the beginning? If you're brand new, how much do you have to invest to actually start a print-on-demand store?
You don't really have to invest that much, just because you don't have to carry any inventory in the beginning. So I always tell my students have around $1,000 that you don't even care about, because you have to have designs and you have to run traffic. If you're tied to $1,000 and you're scared to spend traffic, that might be hard for you. But to get started, all you need to is do one design, get your store up, and start selling.
Wow. So let me ask you this question now.
Yeah.
Basically, based on my knowledge, obviously, and based on what I know, I'm not big in print on demand, and guys, I'm always transparent, open on it. That's why I'm asking him, and I'm drilling him information so I get to learn too. Yeah. But obviously, with my teaching and basically with my understanding of obviously Shopify and e-commerce, technically, the most important investment is really towards traffic. But to actually get the business up, it's going to cost you, what, $100 because you need Shopify and maybe some apps and a couple of designs to actually have it up. And that's really about it, right?
Yeah.
So if we eliminate the traffic side, if we eliminate the Facebook ads, the Google ads, the Bing ads, you only need like what, $100 max to actually get started to really build that store, right?
Yeah, if you eliminate the traffic side and we only focus on design and getting your store out, only $100 will do, because when I tell people the design file can go anywhere from $20 to $25 to get a really good graphic.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's say that right now I'm brand new, starting out, and wanting to actually create the store. What is there a step-by-step process? Like for me, I have a 5-step formula that I actually teach people how to actually go from zero to actually start generating profit for their business. For print on demand, are there any like steps?
Yeah, so with print on demand, the 3 key things that you need to know is design, product, and traffic. Once you master all 3, making sales is easy. So if we talk about design aspect, for example, unlike dropshipping, where you have to go out and find the hot products first and then go out to find your audience, print on demand, you already know your audience, so you can create something specific, custom to your audience. And this is really important because if you know that message on your shirt or product, you can tap into the emotion or the emotional feeling about your customers, and the sale becomes easier once you tap into that. And when we're talking about product, nowadays there's so many products that you can print on, and with the growing trend of print on demand, you can get into jewelries, you can get into leggings, even sneakers. So there's so many products you can design on, and we don't have to focus on one product and scale it that way. You can have a whole product line from just one design.
So basically it's 3 steps. Step number 1 is basically design.
Yeah.
Obviously, print on demand, very important. Step number 2 is going to be the product itself.
Right.
And step number 3 is simply traffic.
Yeah.
And that's where really, that looks simple. It looks simpler than anything. And at the end of the day, here's the beauty, right? You don't even have to invest any inventory. And this is a very, very different and also a big area of opportunity right now, because let's say, for an example, I know some friends that absolutely love unicorn. Like they're diehard fans. Went to their place, they have a ton of crap with unicorn on it. And basically what we're doing is that, or what you're doing is simply create a design to talk to these unicorn lovers and sell it to them.
Exactly.
So basically it's like an easy sell then.
Yes, once you get the message across, the sale is easy.
Oh, wow. That is amazing. Now, here's the other thing that I want to actually take a step back and ask. I actually slipped my mind. I got too excited about it. And I know a lot of people are asking. The margins.
Right.
Revenue is one thing. Margin is definitely another thing. You want to know exactly how much money is going to your pocket.
Yeah.
And we all know right now, for, let's say, selling a t-shirt, it may cost, what, $20 for customers?
Right,
to
around
buy,
$20,
you sell $20.
Yeah.
And hoodie, you may sell for $40.
Yeah.
Sneakers, maybe you sell it for $60, $70, or $80, depending on like what kind of design there are.
Yeah.
So with that, what is the percentage margin that a typical entrepreneur or store owner or an audience that's watching right now can actually make from the order?
So depending on product, it can go anywhere from 40% to 60% margin. And it also depends on the supplier you're going with. So, but then you can make anywhere from $20, $30 just off one design, one product.
Oh, wow. That is absolutely amazing. So basically where I'm leaning towards, or where I'm actually being educated by you right now, is creating a store generating $200 to $500 a day on Shopify is like easy peasy.
Yeah.
But here's the best part. The margin is actually going to be a lot more bigger than other things, because you're selling a higher ticket item and you're actually getting a better customer, and you kind of know your customer avatar right out of the gate. So if you're, let's say that if you're doing like $500 a day in sales, you technically only need like max a dozen sales, since that you're selling anywhere from like a $20 product all the way to like a $60 to $70 product. With a margin of, let's say, 50%, that is some really good money over there. That's like actually making more money than anyone that's sitting in an office or basically working at sales and marketing, or basically someone that's working a dead-end job right now. And I would say right now, obviously, there's so many people on the internet. In order for you to get just a dozen sales, it's actually pretty easy. Especially if you can find like those unicorn lovers. Holy crap. I bet you that you are going to actually do some quick damage. So anyway, so here's the recap. It is all about the design,
product,
and traffic. And if you have these three in place, for you to actually make $200 to $500 a day on Shopify, it's very easy peasy. Now, for those of you that are watching right now that are really into this and say, wow, this is definitely an opportunity and this is something that you want to take action on right away, I actually twisted Michael's arm to create a 10-part video training series that's called what?
Print Profits Bootcamp.
Print Profit Bootcamp, and it's absolutely free. And you can actually dive right in and start building your store from scratch using the 3 steps: design, product, traffic. And what specific product are we talking about in there? We're not. Are you doing T-shirts?
So for the bootcamp, I actually focus on jewelries.
Yeah. Wow, that's a big market. People love to buy jewelries. So guys, if you're interested, right in the video below, there is a link, okay, to the Print Profit Bootcamp. Click on it, register it, and start taking action. This is very important, okay? We're going to continue to actually have our Print Profit series to keep bringing you in-depth information all about print on demands. And if you want to actually take action, and if you know that this is something that you want to actually generate a business of with very little investment, we're talking about like starting for $100 and the rest is basically going towards traffic, you need to go down below, click that link, and simply register for our free bootcamp called the Print Profit Bootcamp. And listen, okay, Michael is also in process of creating his YouTube channel where he's going to bring you more knowledge and share his information to you. So right below on the video description, you'll see his link to his YouTube channel. You'll see the link to the bootcamp, and there's all my social media following too. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? You're going to get a lot of amazing content coming out. I invested quite a lot of money on the studio right now just for you, because what I'm trying to do moving forward is to bring you guys video training content that obviously a lot of people charge thousands of dollars with. We're just going to bring it all to you, and I'm just going to be on a mission to inspire you guys as an individual to really go down the road of entrepreneurship. So at the end of the day, make sure you click the subscribe button, and this is just our first video for our Print Profit series. We're going to have a lot of segments coming up. So if print on demand is something that you want to master, make sure you watch out for my videos. Click on the notification bell, which you can join my notification squad to actually get notification each time we release our video segments. All right. So other than that, listen, thanks for watching this, and thank Michael for being here.
Thank you for having me.
You guys gonna actually hear a lot more from Michael and I. We're just gonna basically blow you guys away with content. Okay. Again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. Make sure you go down below and get your free course for our Print Profit Bootcamp so you can start building your very own print-on-demand companies. All right? So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.